This is Tim from US6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and move photos to an SD card from your iPad. So you can see I have a USB drive right here, and then I can connect an OTG adapter, which is USB to USB-C. Just connects to the top of this, otherwise I have this USB on the other end here. So I can just connect this to my iPad right here where it charges. Then I want to look for files, so just swipe all the way to the right and you should be able to find the app library and just type in files. Go to files right here and you can see your USB drive is connected. So once we have it connected, we want to go to our photos and just find the photos you want to transfer. Just hit select, tap them. So here's me, and I should be able to just tap these now. For some reason it's not selecting it. So once we have the photos selected, we want to go to the share option down here on the bottom, and we should be able to save the files. Then we can go to my USB drive. It's called No Name. Now we can save it in here somewhere. So you can create a new folder. I think I have pictures folder, otherwise I can go to DCIM and then go to save in here. And the files now have been saved to my USB drive. Just that easy. Now I can bring this over to a different Android phone or even an iPhone just by using this drive, and it's a lot quicker to copy it over. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.